Assembling nuts and bolts can be difficult at times because assembly parts will sometimes seize and get completely stuck. This also happens when trying to loosen connections with rusty screw threads. The assembly range offers the right assembly greases to meet all these problems. You can select the right product depending on the specific assembly or disassembly application. Using the right assembly grease makes assembling things that much easier, and of course makes it a lot easier to undo them again at a later stage. And with sensors, such as used for ABS systems, there's always the risk of failure developing due to the conductivity of metal-based products. Unscrewing rusted screw thread connections causes friction, which makes them heat up and expand. This makes disassembly difficult and thread ends may even break off. Our penetration oil enters deep into the connection. Graphite and Moss-2 lubrication reduce the friction and limit heat developing, so the connection will come loose much easier. Freezer is the best choice for loosening compressed connections. The temperature decreases to -50 degrees C. MOTIP's assembly solutions focuses on easy assembly and disassembly. Using the right product makes assembly and disassembly a pretty simple job. Regular maintenance becomes easier and takes up a lot less time. The application can be identified by the image on the aerosol.